This look is definitely for the non-lash wearers.
Feelings so deep in my feelings. Notice they really like me. Can't control my anxiety.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Beat Shadows. I'm Kia, and this tutorial is gonna be just a chill, laid back tutorial. It's late. I'm not going anywhere, but I had to film so I can upload for y'all this week. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna try to do, you know, talk a little bit, but y'all know how my house get a little loud. It's just so disrespectful, but we gonna try it and see. So if you wanna see what I'm gonna create, then stay tuned. Okay, so I already prepped and primed my face. Moisturized with Nivea, primed with this. So far I'm liking it, so I'm just gonna keep using it, see where it goes. But so far so good. And I did my brows using my LA Colors Browy Wowie brow pencil. I did not use the dark one like I told y'all in the last tutorial. I just used this. It kind of gives you a more natural kind of look or whatever. So, and it didn't take me as long to do my brows when I used this by itself. So yeah. Why did I just do that ratchet pop? See if I can find some clean brushes. So I think I'm gonna go in and transition. Okay, so I'm back. Like I said, as soon as I want to record, everybody want to come in. What I'm doing is taking the Sculpt and just using it as a transition color. So I already did it while I was waiting on them to leave. So, and this bra is getting on my nerve. Y'all see that? Because I had a bump right there and it's getting on my nerve. I love this brush. This is the only thing I like out of that little rock palette that I got. Love this little dual end brush. Purple colors right here. As you can see where my finger is. And I'm going to use this same brush. And I'm going to put it in my crease. And just like that. Yeah, I love this brush. So I'm so excited because I'm gonna actually publish my website Monday. So by the time y'all see this, it will be probably Saturday or Sunday. So I want you guys to go and check out the website and let me know what you think. The look I'm going for is gonna be very simple, sweet, and to the point. Nothing dramatic tonight. Like I said, I'm just kind of tired and I ain't doing nothing. Keep blending, 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 blending. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with those two purple colors right there. Can you see it? And I'm going to put that on my lid. I'm gonna use my fingers, I believe, to do that. I'm just gonna place it anywhere, y'all. Any and everywhere. Like I said, this look is so simple and easy. Yeah, I cannot believe I got a pull. My hair is growing fast. It hasn't even been a year since I got my hair cut. These eyeshadows I'm using are cream eyeshadows. Getting on my nerve. So I'm gonna give this palette that I'm using as a mirror, I'm gonna give it one more try. I spent $26 on this, and I'm gonna need for it not to just take up space. I did a review on it. I'll put it up here somewhere so y'all can go look at it. I'm gonna try it with this base. Pray that it goes good. I'm gonna use this color right here. It doesn't have a name, or yes it does. It's Sugared Raisin, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna use this. It's called Sugar Raisin, and this is from the Too Faced Chocolate Chip palette. I'm gonna go in with my fingers this time. Oh, Oh. Ooh. Girl. Girl. Ooh. It works so much better with a base and my finger. I'm running out. I'm just going all in my creasing. All of that, like, who do I think I am? So I'm gonna go back in with my brush and blend it out, blend it in. Cause what's the key to any makeup look? Everybody say it with me all at once. Blend. Yeah, I'm all in my crease for this. All. Your girl ran out. But it's okay. It's okay. We're gonna make it work. Okay, so I'm going to take, let's see, it's a really, really dark purple right here. Can y'all see that? It's really dark purple. Okay, so I just cleaned up all of the fallout using a baby wipe, and I'm just gonna go under my eye. I think I'm gonna use that black liner. Have y'all ever seen I don't know if it's new, but it was on BET. It's called what is the name of that movie? It's called True to the Game. It was really good. I think it's gonna be a part 2. I think it's gonna be a part 2 because my husband say he read both of the, it's 2 books. I'm just taking that purple color and I'm gonna smoke it out. He said that he read the books or whatever, and it was 2 parts to the book. So I don't want to give it away just in case y'all have seen it. I know my bestie probably done read the book because she loves to read. Tonight I'm just gonna go in with my Black Radiance foundation. It is in the color 8411 Butterscotch Caramel, or is it Butter Caramel Scotch? I think it's Butterscotch Caramel. And I'm just going to apply this with a I think I'm gonna use the spatula that comes with. And usually when I wear this foundation, because it's real sheer or light coverage, I have to I'm looking over here in this mirror, I have to hurry up and blend it out because it dries fast. And also I have to I usually color correct, set it with some powder and see if that works. Oh, look at that brush. Don't die on me. I love this e.l.f. brush. I like using brushes sometimes, but they can be real streaky. I'm just gonna put a little on my forehead. See if that works. I don't know if y'all can tell how sheer. Now if I was going out with this, I would have to color correct because this is like, I mean, I'm not full coverage, but if I was going out and I would color correct. I did not. With my beauty sponge. So guess what we're gonna do? We're just going to skip that step and see how this goes. I cannot believe I'm not gonna use my beauty sponge. This is gonna be the first time. I went and set my face using the Black Radiance pressed powder, and it's in the color, it's a matte finish, it's in the color Butter Pecan, and it looks like this. Just set my face. I'm really gonna set those red areas out of hair. Concealer, y'all know I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro, and the color Cool Tan. Guess I'm gonna name this how to blend without my beauty sponge. It actually looks okay. I don't know how it looks on the camera. I find out when I go to editing how it looks. Oh God, I have had a rough day today. Maybe that's why I'm just all over the place with this makeup. Today has been one of those days. I woke up in a great mood, you know, in a good spirit, you know, encouraging people, and just like I always do. But that turned out, my day was ruined. I'm like, how do you wake up to encourage people and in a good spirit, and then your day is ruined? That's just, well, I almost let it ruin my day. I did get a little emotional, but I don't know. I'm a very strong person, so for something to bother me, it has to be serious for something to bother me. Because I don't too much let anything, I kind of let stuff roll off, but what happened today, it really bothered me. So I'm gonna let that sit there for a little while till I figure out how I'm gonna get it off my face. And I'm gonna go, I think I'm gonna use this brush, I guess. And I'm just gonna use that same palette to kind of like bronze. I'm gonna take the same brush, I just cleaned it off, and I'm gonna go in and sweep off that powder. Y'all sleeping on that Airspun, you better go get you some. I can see my skin. Can y'all see that? I know y'all see that on camera. It's red as I don't know what. See, that's why I color correct. Well, let me see if I can go in and fix that. I think that's better. I went in with my finishing powder from Black Radiance in the color soft, my soft focus finishing powder, yeah. What is this? Oh, in the color Golden Almond Finish. So it looks a little better, but you probably can see it, so it's okay when you want one. I'm gonna spray my face with this Clean Color Pro Sealer Makeup Setting Spray Matte Finish Long Lasting to that highlighter. Yeah. Bronze Baby Blusher. I think it just really intensified that highlighter, and I am living. That is it. Should we do lashes? I really don't want to do no lashes, y'all. I'm just gonna keep it 1000 because I mean, can we go back to the olden golden days where there were no lashes? I'm not a lash wearer anyway, but I've been trying to get my hands on that new L'Oreal voluminous lash, I think in the pink bottle that looks like Better Than Sex, and they said people are comparing it to that. I'm gonna try it out and see. Y'all know that's my favorite mascara. So I'm going with the roller lash. I have really been loving glossy lips. I don't know why, but I am in love with the glossy lips. I love the Chew. ASMR the Chew, the pickle lady. I love her. Y'all need to check it out, but yeah. I need to do some ASMR. Some tapping and some I love it. So what are we gonna do for the lips, y'all? Let me stop. I'll tell you, this is a true matte, baby. They don't play. I'm always wearing pink. Pink is my favorite color. I still out a lip gloss in the color Suggestive 220. I don't know. Smells so good. My lip gloss is popping. I love glossy lips.